Hi, I'm Taide and welcome to Cinemathis. I recently purchased an iPad Air and pen which started to malfunction. I was unable to write at certain angles. When I wrote at a tilt, it malfunctioned. When I wrote straight up and down, the pen worked properly. I called the Apple Store, but they were unable to resolve my issue over the phone. The rep asked if I would like him to make an appointment. I suggested the store in Shinsaibashi, Osaka. In this video, I'll share what happened, how the staff was able to troubleshoot the issue, and how they were able to resolve the issue. If you're having issue with your pen and tablet not working, wondering what it's like to visit an Apple Store in Japan, or wondering how this video ends, this video is for you. Let's head to the Apple Store. Reaching the top of the stairs, I was a little taken back by how many people were in the Genius Center, so I was really pleased and happy that I had scheduled an appointment. I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to fluently discuss my issue, but to my surprise, they had several employees that could speak multiple languages, so I was able to communicate in Japanese and in English. So if you have similar concerns or feel intimidated by this, no worries there. While the rep was troubleshooting the issue, he noticed that my pen was flat. So this is still the tip. I haven't changed it yet. That the pen was flat. So he asked if the pen had been dropped. And that's when I remembered. When returning to my seat at a cafe, I noticed that my pen was moved from its original spot. So someone must have accidentally dropped it on its point and placed it back on the table, and this was causing the issue. To test this theory, the rep suggested that I try a new tip, and to my delight, the pen glided flawlessly and worked just as it did the day I purchased it. To replace the tip, it was senin, which is 10 American dollars, but they were sold out. So they sold me a pack of 4 for yon-sen, which is around $40, a little less than $40. I guess I have a little sale there. So these tips are very, very delicate. So if you've damaged your tip, dropped it, or having trouble writing, this may be the solution for you. I'm really curious if there are other tips that are equally compatible with the Apple Pen. So if you found a tip that works for you, or if you've had issue with your tablet and pen not working and you resolve the issue, please leave a comment below. I'd like to thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Okay, are we good? So Lumix stepped it up. Okay. Is it good? Yeah, I think so. Okay, let me just make sure I'm good where I want to sit. Okay, everything's good.